Coffee makes me so happy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something new that I've never done on my channel. I'm going to try out today face masks. I absolutely love face masks. Like, I'm just obsessed with them. So the other day I was down near in Melbourne Central with some friends and we went to this Korean makeup store. What was the name of it? M Plaza. Yes, M Plaza was the name of like the Korean, I think it was just Korean, I'm not for sure, but it was like a Korean / Asian makeup store, and they sold all these like really cute makeup products, and I saw these masks that I absolutely had to try because like so cute. The first one I bought was the Pig Collagen, I guess it's like a Blackhead nose mask. And we have step 1 here is pore heating sheet, and then you go to step 2, which is the Blackhead clear sheet, and then step 3 is the pore tightening sheet. Now I have problems with like blackheads here in my T-zone, which most people have problems with that as well, but also not only do I have blackheads, but the pores on my nose are like having a competition with Mars to see which one can be bigger. It's always been like that, and so I'm always looking for pore products that make my pores on my nose look a lot smaller. Then I'll be trying out this GLAMOUR lip mask, and this one's from Holika Holika, which I've heard a lot of things about this brand from xoxo. She does a lot of Korean makeup hauls, so I'm really excited to try this one as well. I don't know, I've never tried a lip mask before, so I thought it'd be cool to try out. I have my timer here because we're going to need that. Alright, so first, this is after washing your face, which I already did. I washed my face before I came on camera. It says stick the sheet mask on your nose, remove after 15 to 20 minutes, and then you're going to wipe out the melted waste gently. Melted waste. And just a warning, if you don't really like to see blackheads or something, maybe you can skip over it, because I feel like to properly try out this, I kind of have to show you guys. It kind of grosses me out. Like, I hate seeing blackheads myself when I watch these videos, but yeah, if I don't show you, it's kind of like not a review. But I'm gonna start with this lip mask first, and then we're going to use the exfoliating pad and we're going to exfoliate my lips, and then we're going to apply the second step and then the first step of this and wait 15 minutes. So I have the golden monkey. We're going to start with step 1 of the lip peeling patch. This is really going to show how weird I am, but when I hear lip peeling, I automatically think there's this, I don't know if you heard of the movies Ernest, and it's like Ernest goes to camp, Ernest goes to school, Ernest in the army. Well, in Ernest in the army, I'm so weird. Ernest in the army, he actually like peels off, he gets like his lips all burned, and so he like just peels off the whole like layer of lips. I probably shouldn't have said that. That's just really gross and weird. Use exfoliating pad right here, step 1, to clean lips and gently massage them smoothly. Okay. We're going to exfoliate, I guess. Don't get this stuff in your mouth, it tastes weird. Now that I've massaged my lips, they feel weird. Mine, this pimple right here, it's actually quite a lot bigger, but I've been having terrible chin acne, which makes me think it's hormones, because I've been having hormonal problems. I've gone to see my doctor, but that's a different story. Okay, so step to apply Hydrogel Lip Patch on lips and remove it after 15 minutes. So this is our Hydrogel Lip Patch. Look at this. Oh, fun. So it comes in this thing, and I just opened it up, and I'm going to take off this plastic part, and then right here is our Hydrogel Lip. Who has lips this big? Like, not even Kylie Jenner has lips this big, but you cannot talk with that thing on. So it's been 15 minutes. I took the lip mask off first because I did the lip mask first and then I did the nose one. After I take that off, it said to dab lips to absorb remaining residue. And then you're going to apply honey treatment patch on dry lips for moisturizing. But before I do that, I'm going to go on to my nose and I'm going to remove it. This is wipe out the melted waste gently. I'll just use this and I'll wipe out the melted waste on this dry towel. I have this wet part, and it says that next you're going to wet your nose. I have this wet part of the towel here. I'm going to wet my nose, and I'm going to apply the second part, which is the Blackhead clear sheet. Yeah, I did it the wrong side. This is supposed to be switched around, but oh well. It says that one goes on for 10 minutes. I'm starting my timer again, and we're going to apply that for 10 minutes. And while we're applying that, we're going to move on to our third step on the lip mask. That lip mask actually makes my lips feel so soft right now. Apply honey treatment patch on dry lips for moisturizing. Okay, so now we're going to apply our honey lip part. I'm assuming, yeah, it's just like a gel. Yeah, it's like a liquid. I just squeezed a little bit out there. Oops. So I'm going to take some of that and I'm just going to apply it on my lips. I'm going to have smooth kissable lips, which won't even matter because I don't kiss anybody. Single problems, but anyways, doesn't matter. Alright, so I have that on my lips. It doesn't really say how long to leave the last part on. It feels too greasy to leave on my lips for a long time. So I'm going to leave this on for, this one was 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm going to leave this one on for 10 minutes. And then I will be back when the 10 minutes up. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes. I'm going to remove my nose mask. It says remove the dry sheet slowly from the edge. I'm going to peel here. Oh good, it doesn't hurt. A lot of these nose masks really hurt. I'm going to hold this up to the camera. I don't know if I'll be able to show you. Focus. It did remove a bit actually. Okay, so the last step in our nose mask, it says to attach the final sheet to your nose and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and then tap the remaining essence to let it absorb into the skin. So I'm going to, and this one says 5 minutes. This is the third step, the pore tightening sheet. Looks like the same sort of nose mask. Apply this here And this will go on. Oh, it feels so nice. This is supposed to tighten up our pores. I'm back and it's been approximately 9.5-ish minutes. They said you could leave this pore mask on for up to 10 minutes. So like I said, I have problems with pores, so I wanted to leave it on as long as I possibly can. Take that off, and it says to tap the remaining essence into your nose. I'm just going to just tap this in. The one thing I noticed that these nose masks, they do sting a little bit, which I guess that means it's working. Except for one time I used a fake face mask, like it wasn't the actual brand, and it burnt my face so bad. And you know, you live and you learn, right? I'm going to take a look in my mirror at my nose. I can definitely see the pores in my nose have been, how do you say it, like are smaller than they looked before. I mean, honestly, I can't tell a very big difference. I don't know. I read this thing recently that said that when you see like the dark parts in your nose, all those dark dots, it doesn't mean that they're actually blackheads. So I don't know, maybe I didn't have too many blackheads. I definitely did see some like removed, which is good. I'm also going to take off this lip stuff because it is dripping all over my face. I'm just gonna tap it. My lips have not felt like this since, I don't think ever, probably since I was born. This lip mask is actually really nice. If you have problems with dry and chapped lips, which they say, this lip mask is made for chapped lips to give you a voluptuous lip. That's what the actual package says. This lip mask, I definitely recommend. Oh my gosh, like I can't stop. My lips feel so nice. So yeah, if you definitely have problems with chapped lips, or I know in some parts of the world it's winter. I have some friends in America and they're going through like this massive winter like snowstorm, and I know that can really dry your skin out. So yeah, I don't know if you're in a part of the world where there's winter and you're having chapped lips, or maybe you just struggle with chapped lips, definitely try out this lip mask. Like wow, I wish I would have picked up more. I think it was $4 for the lip mask, and then the nose one was $3. So it's very, very, very affordable. But yeah, I don't know. I don't really see that much difference for my nose. So maybe I just didn't have too many blackheads, and I just have, it's just like the oils in my nose. But my nose does feel quite smooth as well. I have problems with like very dry nose, but it's oily at the same time. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's the first time I've ever like tried out a face mask on my channel, so I was really excited to do that. I have a few upcoming videos that I'm excited to film for you guys. So you have to be subscribed so you can get notified of those. So make sure you hit that subscription button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I will leave links to these products that you can buy them down in the description bar, and also I'll leave the links for my Instagram and my Twitter, so go follow me there, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.